Hello everyone. This is a video for our ENGG1330 group project.
In this video, I want to introduce the innovative and amazing aspects of our game in code.
First of all, I want to explain the innovative and amazing aspects of our code. We use lists to print the map instead of reading a file, which is much simpler. We use global variables as we need use a variable many times, and this makes it easy and efficient.
We use a tuple to make a 2D move, which is more efficient than change the list directly.
And the method we use to make a move and check whether the move is valid is very simple.
Besides, when we write the lose function, we just use the result of the check function.
If the 4 directions move is not available, we will lose.
We have entered many sentences into our code to develop the plot and improve the player's interest in playing, while also giving the player certain tips and encouragement.
Use a list to record the steps required to complete each map, and determine the victory conditions, instead of checking whether there are other symbols in the map.
Use a for loop many times to delay the response time of the program, so that plot subtitles can appear one by one.
Define a cheat function to first determine whether there is a valid position in the input direction, and then output the distance to be moved.
It is very effective and convenient. Define a teleport function to find the position of the mark line by line. Whenever a player enters data, check whether the entered number is valid.
Use a while loop to achieve the purpose of continuous checking.
Use a while loop to continue playing the game until all levels are won.
And I want to show you the innovative and amazing aspects of our game.
We have immersive plot.
Do you know the story of Icarus?
Our game will give you enough background and tutorial so that you can be immersed in this game. The great artist in Greek, Daedalus, murdered his nephew due to the flame of envy.
To escape from the penalty, he wandered to the island far from land, Crete,
which was ruled by the king Minos. In Crete, Daedalus married a local woman and gave birth to his son, Icarus, who you'll play. Many years later, because of the suspicion from Minos, Daedalus decided to run away from Crete.
Together with Icarus, Daedalus stuck wings with wax on their back and tried to fly away from Crete.
However, Icarus flew too high and the wax was melted by the evil god of deadline.
Fortunately, the kind ocean god, Nereus, saved his life.
A strange magic puts you into a logical world, which is called the Code Palace.
Your mission is to activate the magic circles in the correct order to regain your power.
Next, our game has simple operation, but strict logic.
You can use WASD to move to the nearest magic circle in one of the 4 directions. The number on each circle means how many times you should move through. There are also some special blocks to help or hinder you.
Here we have a detailed instruction.
The only thing you should think about is the route. Use your logic to regain your magic.